What's up YouTube, it's your boy. I'm going to show you how to enable drag clicking on your Arch Linux PC. So first you want to do SU, type in your password. Now this is just going to enable so you're in your PC, and then this you're probably going to be enabling double clicking, so that's to allow like drag clicking and stuff with Minecraft, or that's what I use it for. But yeah, and then I'm stealing a lot of this from this guy alternate MP4 who like is just posted this shit in a Reddit thread, which I thought was cool. However, I'm going to ignore his first line of instructions and we're just going to go straight to touch local override quirks. Let me hold on, I think there's spaces, that's why. I'll have all these commands just in the description so you can just copy and paste them. So now you're in there, right? And then you're going to do nano local-overrides.quirks. And now you're in this shit. Now, what I use, since I have a Logitech Superlight, which goes from wireless to wired, so there's multiple mouse inputs. If you don't want to enable this for all your mouse or mice, you can check out the Reddit post in the description and fix it for that accordingly. But for me, I'm like, fuck it, I don't care if double clicks on my mice. And so I used this. I'll have this pasted in the description. This command line, which you can just copy and paste here. You can replace killjohnlennon with anything. I just put killjohnlennon because I'm fucking weird. But yeah, this will basically make it so all the mouse or mice that you have, I keep saying mouse, all the mice that you have will have drag clicking on it. And so, yeah. And then now we're just going to want to Control O. Enter, so that's written, and then just Control X. So now we're out, should work, and all you need to do is just restart your PC and you're all good. So that's how to enable drag clicking on Arch Linux. Yeah, thanks for watching.